What if it... Ooh! My mouse randomly fucking slips and I find this slot. I'll take it. And didn't see that going through there before. Why? Oh right, that's because I'm a blind motherfucker. Well, it appears to be that I'm not gonna find half the stuff I'm after. Means I am gonna have to do the Iron Man suit, go into the other world, and then tear everything apart. Because I mean, if people actually paid attention from my previous series, well, my other series, with the Mark 1, you were still fucking overpowered. I mean, yeah, the damage of the suit was left to be desired, but other than that, it turned out pretty well. Oh right, yeah. Why did I forget that? Is there anything over here? No. Emerald Ravine? Oh, hi Creeper. Don't mind if I take your gunpowder, Joe. You didn't drop any. Scabby Creeper. Oh well. Up here. Hi there. Let's go this way. Should have put one against the house mods in, which gives me like an instant ladder back up. That'd be so fucking cool. Just goes all the way up, and then I'd be happy for days. There we go. I may have enough to do quite a bit of it now, and then I can go back in that dimension, and I'm gonna tear the fuck out of everything. There's no way in hell am I letting that fucking set. Just fucking letting them tear me apart like that. I might enchant it first, put protection on it, but these actually, no, they're not enchanted. And in I go. Right, first things first, I put them in there for now, put that in there, that can go in there. Let's pull this slot out. Just chuck all that in there now. Right. If I do the eggs first now, this ain't gonna be enough, I don't think. Only 3. That's platinum anyway. Are you kidding me? Iron. Right. If I do tidy that, and if I go G and go set item and that, I need magnesium and them, which will be, why am I putting that there? That and that. There we go. And the next one now will be, right, I want redstone, that. Right, right, there we go. Palladium core. Right. I need high-tech electronics for the mini arc reactor, so Good job I got titanium as well, isn't it? I ain't gonna have enough, am I? God fucking damn it. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I get them now, I got the 8 I need for the other parts of the suit. But I need high-tech electronics and electronics, which is redstone and iron. Which, if I go there, put that there, that can stay there, that can go there, that can go there. And if I go there, I got 8. And how many high tech do I need? I also need redstone repeater and... Oh right, let's go over there. I'm gonna need 2 electronics to one side, right? So if I go by the... go to the... right, I'm gonna need to do some more. Because I'll be like that with it. Hang on a minute. Right, so that I now need redstone repeater, but I need 2 of them, so it means I'm gonna need some more. Right, let's get this out. I don't know how much I'm gonna get for this, but just remember I have 1 on me. Just 1 I got on me. And now I got a stack and 26. Oops. Alright, I need 2 more things, so... Two more. Right, redstone repeater. I always forget how to make that. Redstone torches and redstone. Right, oh, tidy. I got a redstone torch, it means I only need 3. So if I put that by there, I got sticks here somewhere. Where are you? Oh! Happy days. Well, I can be happy. And that's it. Thanking you. And what do I need now? Because with the high-tech electronics, I can make the palladium thing, isn't it? If I go there... Oh, I need 4 high-tech electronics. Really? I got 2. I need more. Right. Ironing God. There we go. That's 4. I'm now gonna another 4. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Right, that's another 2. I know this is time consuming, guys, but at least you can see how it's done anyway. Right. After hang on a minute. We are. And there we go. And it's raining. Not that time. I don't even know how loud that actually is. I can barely hear it on my headset. If it's too loud, guys, I do apologise. Just let me know and I'll sort it out. Right. Set item, that. Mini arc reactor, which is them. That's easy enough done. Why am I got that? No. And that one. There we go. I should be able to make this now. Right. That and that. That. That and that. And that. Booyah. Now for bootsies. Right. I need rockets, I need 2 of them, so I need iron plates. How the fuck do I make iron plates now? God fucking damn it. So 2 blocks of iron and that just for 1. I gotta do... That's expensive shit. I'm on silver armor plate. Iron plate. I need 4 blocks. And... I only need 2. I thought I needed 4. Huh. That just saved me a whole lot of trouble then. Right, 1, 2. But the thing I don't get though is why is it so fucking expensive? Right, that's that one. That's 2. Fuck's sake. Yeah, I'm gonna need more iron. A lot more. There we go. Redstone gunpowder, might as well make 1 while I'm here. That and that, that and that. There we go. Because you got that there, and I think it was that there, isn't it? Yeah. And that there. I need more iron ore. Plus I got that there now. I got them there. Right. Actually, right, let's put them in there, put that in there, that. G. Right, have I got any more stuff I could use? take that. Take that. I now need... Huh. What? The fuck you doing in here? Cactus. And it's right by there. Fuck it. Ooh. Okay, I gotta test that shit out. Oh my days. But it didn't do fuck all. Right, that's a thought then. Right. Because I got that there, if I went aqua... Right, Aquaman's head, Aquaman's logo, Aquaman's suit. Okay, orange aqua stone. That. Gold, aqua stone, that. Aquaman's logo. Wow, really? I can make Aquaman if I want him. Right. Let's create this then. I'm on that. I'm on that. I'm on that. Time to go down, get some more resources. Seems like all I'm ever doing these days is staying there. Come on then. Shut up, cow. Shut up, cow. Cow's picking on me, guys. The cow's picking on me. Right.